Growing pak choy from seed to harvest. Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about Pak Choy vegetable. If you never see the vegetable before, look here. And this is how the seed looks like. To plant the Pak Choy seed, all we need is seeding tray and peat moss. We need to put peat moss into the seeding tray, and then we need to put seed into it. And then we need to spray water and wait for 10 days for it to grow. After 10 days, it will look something like this. And you can transfer it to a bigger pot like this. There are two ways to transfer the plants from the seeding tray. One is transferring it to a bigger pot. Another one is transferring it to a hydroponic method such as this. The first method, we must use normal soil, a pot size such as this, which is sufficient enough to grow to the size such as this. The second method I choose is hydroponic wick system, which looks like this. We can refill the AB nutrition until here so that it will absorb and transfer it to the plant. You can do a hydroponic pot just like this. Now I'm going to tell you how I did it. First, I take a mineral bottle and cut it, and then I flip it over like this. After I put the wick system, then I put the coco peat in here, and I put some AB nutrition in here. After that, I put the plant in here. That's very easy to do. This is how the hydroponic system looks like after transferring it from the seeding tray. Okay folks, I hope I shared a little about planting pak choy. See you in the next video. Bye.